Hello friends, it's me, Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, also known as the Chatty Pen Pal channel, and I have an extra video for you today showing you some wintry or Christmassy mails that I sent out. I know I said I wasn't doing Christmas or winter mail this year, but these are from last year, so they don't count. I did send out Christmas cards, and I also sent out 2 winter or Christmas themed envelopes with some mail for 2 random patrons. I did a little giveaway. But I just wanted to make a short video to chat with you all and wish you, for all of you who are celebrating, a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a lovely festive season with, in my case, a lot of food. I don't know if you celebrate, but if you don't celebrate, then I still wish you a lovely week. I hope you get to have some days off as well. Personally, I'm working for a lot of Christmas. I don't know, you have to tell me how many days of Christmas you guys celebrate, but here in the Netherlands we usually have Christmas Eve on the 24th, and then we have the first and the second day of Christmas the days following. I'm working the 24th and the 25th, both during the day, so I do have the evenings off, which is nice. And then on the second day of Christmas, so the 26th, I will be visiting my parents, and we're gonna cook a lot of food with my brother and my sister-in-law. We're gonna cook all the desserts and everything we feel like cooking, and hopefully it will just be a lot of fun. At least I think it will be a lot of fun. So that was one of the mails. Here's another close-up, because in all honesty, these envelopes might be some of my favorite envelopes I've ever decorated. They're quite simple, and I don't normally like, I've said this 7,000 times, I don't normally like winter theme, but these I'm actually really pleased with. Also, I quite like our December stamps. This envelope, I have a video tutorial of me making that, and if you would like to see it, then I will, I'm uploading it to Patreon, or at least that is my plan. This is a tutorial I did for a book page project, and I will link that down below as well. And then here's the last mail I sent out in Christmas theme, which I thought was so cute. A little teapot and then some goodies. But yeah, I hope that you will have a lovely time. I will see you in the new year. Or am I uploading another video? I'm a little lost in time. Anyway, thank you so much to all of you for supporting me in the past year. And I will see you soon, whenever that may be. Okay, bye!